Hi guys, it's Vesna here and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am participating in Sweet and Simple Homes Spring One Box Challenge. So Rachel from Sweet and Simple Home is hosting this challenge. This is my first time participating in any of her challenges, so thank you, Rachel, for hosting. If you haven't checked out her channel, please do check it out. It's a really cool channel. She's got lots of organization and lots of organization stuff on there, and just like purging and all of that stuff, and some and decor and all other things. Really cool channel. Please do check it out. So what I'm doing is I am getting rid of some kids' toys. So I'm going to show you what I am getting rid of. So what I did is I went through my kids' toys to see what were toys that were too young for them. Now, obviously for my older son, all of these are too young. But for my little guy who's only 2, there are things that I'm still kind of contemplating whether I should get rid of or not get rid of. But for example, this breastfeeding pillow. I'm not breastfeeding him anymore. I was keeping it thinking that, maybe they could like sit and snuggle with, I don't even know what. Getting rid of it. This thing is cool. I mean, it's got numbers, the alphabet, and different things, but it's very much a baby toy. He's not interested in it anymore, so what's the point of keeping it? I'm getting rid of it. Someone else may be able to use it, so why not give it to somebody? There's a little piece missing, but I do have it. My husband just has to attach it back on. Then the next few toys are actually, so the next toy is a walker. He is walking all on his own, doesn't need it. It is kind of cool because you can take that part off and then they can do music and all that stuff, but they haven't been interested and they haven't played with it in months, so no sense in keeping that. The next toy that I have here, these toys are cute, definitely don't need them. Rattle toys, teethers. These are rattle toys for feet. Then I have the wrist ones, really cool. They don't need them. I apologize for the barking. I am doing this outside. Hopefully the wind doesn't do too much with the sound because it is the quietest place in my house right now. The next toy is just like a little rattle toy again. It's cool. It hooks onto a table, but they don't need it. So really, these are baby toys that I should have gotten rid of a year ago. But, thinking that even now as I'm doing this, I'm thinking, oh, maybe I should keep some of them. Maybe I can keep this. Maybe they should have this. These I'm going to be throwing out, most likely, or recycling, because they are part of they're table legs for a magnetic drawing board, but the drawing board broke. Somebody stepped on it or sat on it, but like jumped on it more or less, so it broke. But again, the crafter in me is thinking, oh, maybe I could use them for something. These are stroller attachments, stroller toys that he had, but doesn't need them anymore. Again, I was thinking I would keep them because they're like stuffies, but they have so much, and those ideas of keeping, and this is very hard to do. This is because I'm done having kids and all of this stuff, so it's hard for me to be getting rid of this stuff, but we don't need it. This is a teething toy. It's the little one that you put on it's like a glove. It's really cool. Like, both my kids really liked it, and it's washable, so you can throw it in the wash and it's good. More rattle toys and teething toys. Again, don't need any of these, and maybe somebody could use them. Now, I can't donate anything right now because all of our thrift stores are closed, so I have to wait until they open up. Again, more rattle toys once all this stuff is done. And teething toys. This is a cute little frog. Lots of rattle toys and teethers. I don't know about the theaters, the ones that, I guess you can wash everything. I'm not sure. I'll see if they accept it. They accept it. If not, not. And then there's a little hat. Sophie. My kids never really liked Sophie. They like to play with her, but never for teething. And I know there's people who swore by Sophie. Another little spinning rattle toy. And I'm getting near the end of the box. So that's the little attachment to that piece that I have to attach back on, or my husband, depending on what needs to be done. And then I think that's pretty much for the box. So like you can see, these are all the things I'm getting rid of. It's not a lot, but it's enough for now. There's tons of toys that we could probably get rid of, but with being cooped up inside right now, I'm not going to do that to them. I will let them play with whichever toys they want to play with, since we can't go to the park or do any of that kind of stuff. Now I do have a little bit of other stuff that I've done, which will be in the next clip. Now I did take this one box purge to the next level. I'm not going to put you through showing you everything here that I'm purging, but basically I'm getting rid of this suitcase. Don't mind the Birchbox because it is ripped right here. In there I have some old purses that I haven't used in years, so I probably won't use either. These lovely bins. So I've got 3 really big bins. You can see how big they are. They are full of clothes that I used to have in my early 20s. I don't fit into them, unfortunately, anymore. They're lovely, lovely clothes. They're expensive clothes because, of course, I was in my 20s and single and still living at home, going to school and working. So I was able to buy some nice clothes. However, I don't fit into them anymore. I was keeping them hoping I would lose weight and fit into them. However, even if I did, I was going through them. I mean, some of them maybe are still in style, but most of them aren't. So as sad as it makes me to get rid of all of this, and I can't look at it again because I was in the mood maybe like about a week ago to purge, and I purged. But I can't look back. If I were to sort through it again, I would make up excuses of how I should keep it. So they are all gone, donated. Maybe someone can use them. Lots of them are suits, so they are in style. Some of the jeans are like, but maybe someone can, wear them in the yard or something, like when they're doing yard work. I'm not sure. I will donate them. Maybe somebody can use them. The suits are beautiful. They're classic suits, but I don't fit into them anymore, and I don't think I will. I mean, I've had 2 kids since, so I don't think I'll fit into them anymore. So, goodbye, lovely clothes, and so there you have it. Those are my purges that I've done. The kids' stuff I didn't do a lot of, but my stuff I did quite a bit. So if you liked my video and you want to see more, hopefully I have more videos like this in the future. I mean, not hopefully, I will have more videos like this in the future. Check out my channel, subscribe, like, get notifications. Make sure you check out the playlist for this challenge. I'm sure there's going to be awesome purges that, will kind of inspire you to do your own purging. As well, make sure you check out my Sweet and Simple my Sweet and Simple Home channel, because it is fantastic. And stay safe, and hope to see you again soon. Have an excellent day.